Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to insert or delete rows and columns in Excel. Why would you want to know how to insert or delete rows and columns in Excel? Well, maybe you want to edit on your data tables. So today I am going to show you how to insert or delete rows and columns in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now stop in the cell and go insert sheet rows and delete sheet rows. That easy. There you go. If you want to know how to insert or delete rows and columns in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to insert or delete rows and columns in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.